Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Troubleshooting failed to build module. The textual interface may be broken in Python. This error message, often encountered when working with libraries like Textual, can be frustrating. It indicates a problem during the build process of a Python module, specifically impacting the Textual library and its related user interface elements. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the common causes, debugging strategies, and potential solutions, illustrated with code examples. Understanding the error. The failed to build module. The textual interface may be broken. Error generally arises when Python's pip installer is unable to compile and install a dependency, extension module, or the textual library itself. This can disrupt the rendering and functionality of the user interface elements provided by Textual. The underlying problems often lie in the following areas. Missing or incompatible build tools. Python relies on compilers and build tools, like a C/C++ compiler, to build extension modules. If these are missing or outdated, the build process will fail. Missing dependencies. The textual library and its dependencies might require other system-level libraries or software packages to be present on your system. Conflicting dependencies. Different versions of installed packages might clash, preventing the successful compilation and installation of the necessary modules. Operating system specific issues. Installation processes and dependency requirements can vary significantly across different operating systems, Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Python version incompatibilities. The library might not be compatible with the specific version of Python you are using. Installation environment issues. Problems with your virtual environment, if you're using one, Python installation, or system configuration. Network issues. If the installation requires downloading packages from the internet, network connectivity problems can interrupt the process. Compiler errors. Errors during the compilation phase, example syntax errors in C/C++ code, can halt the build process. Debugging strategies. Here's a structured approach to diagnose and resolve the error. 1. Read the error message carefully. Look for specific error codes or messages within the traceback. The full error message will provide clues about where the build process failed. For example, error, command GCC failed with exit status 1 indicates a problem with the C compiler. Module not found error, no module named XYZ suggests a missing Python dependency. Unicode decode error could indicate encoding issues. Identify the failing package. The error usually pinpoints the exact package or module that's causing the problem. 2. Ensure build tools are installed, crucial step. This is often the most common cause of build failures. You need a C/C++ compiler and other build tools to compile extension modules. Windows install Visual Studio build tools. Download and install the Visual Studio build tools from Microsoft's website, or Visual Studio Community Edition. Make sure to select the C++ build tools workload during installation. Set up the environment. After installation, you might need to run the veekvarsal.bat script, usually located in C/program files, x86, /Microsoft Visual Studio /YYYY /build tools /VC /auxiliary /build, in your command prompt or PowerShell to configure the environment variables correctly. Replace YYYY with the Visual Studio version year. Use x86 if you're building for 32-bit. Then, run pip install Textual again. It's best practice to restart the command prompt /terminal after this step. Asterisk Mac OS asterisk. Asterisk install Xcode command line tools asterisk open a terminal and run. Follow the prompts to install the tools. Asterisk Linux, Debian / Ubuntu. Asterisk Linux, Fedora / CentOS / RHEL. Asterisk verify the compiler asterisk after installation, verify that your compiler is accessible from the command line. If the compiler is not found, you may need to add its directory to your system's path environment variable. 3. Update pip, setup tools, and will asterisk. Outdated versions of these tools can sometimes cause build problems. 4. Try installing system dependencies asterisk. Sometimes, the package you're trying to install relies on system-level libraries. Check the package's documentation for required system dependencies and install them using your operating system's package manager, example apt-get, dnf, brew. The textual library itself may have such dependencies. Consult the textual documentation. 5. Use a virtual environment, recommended. Virtual environments isolate project dependencies, preventing conflicts. 6. Install with -no cache dir asterisk. Sometimes, cached packages can be corrupted. Bypass the cache. 7. Try a specific version, pinning. A recent update to a dependency could be causing problems. Try installing an older, known working version. Consult the library's release history. 8. Check for conflicting dependencies asterisk. Use pip freeze requirements.txt to create a list of your installed packages. Then, carefully examine the list for potential conflicts, different packages requiring conflicting versions of other packages. You can then use pip uninstall to remove potentially conflicting packages and try installing Textual again. Consider using a dependency management tool like Poetry or Python for more robust dependency management. 9. Consult the library's documentation and issue tracker asterisk. Asterisk textual documentation asterisk refer to the official textual documentation for installation instructions, troubleshooting tips, and known issues. The documentation might provide specific guidance for your operating system or Python version. Asterisk GitHub issue tracker asterisk check the GitHub repository for Textual to see if other users have reported similar problems and if there are any proposed solutions. 10. Examine the build logs more closely, if available. When pip fails to build a module, it often produces a detailed log of the compilation and installation process. This log can provide valuable clues about the cause of the error. Look for error messages, warnings, and other indications of what went wrong. Sometimes, you'll need to add the V flag to pip to get more verbose output. Redirect the output to a file for easier analysis. Then, open install.log and search for errors, warnings, and clues. 11. Operating system specific considerations asterisk. Asterisk Windows asterisk. Asterisk long paths asterisk Windows has a limit on path lengths. Make sure your project directory isn't too deeply nested. Enable long paths in Windows 10/11 if necessary. Asterisk permissions asterisk run your command prompt or PowerShell as administrator. Asterisk Mac OS asterisk. Asterisk Mac OS security asterisk you might need to grant permissions to pip or your compiler in System Preferences - Security and Privacy. Asterisk Linux asterisk. Asterisk root privileges asterisk some installations might require sudo to install system-level dependencies. 12. Encoding issues asterisk. If you see Unicode decode error, this usually means there's a problem decoding a file, often during compilation. Try setting the Pythonio encoding environment variable. Restart your terminal after setting the environment variable. 13. Downgrade/upgrade Python, if necessary. Very occasionally, the specific Python version may have a bug related to the build process. As a last resort, and after careful research, you might consider trying a different Python version, example upgrading to the latest stable release or downgrading to a slightly older one that is known to work with Textual. Be sure to manage your Python versions responsibly using a tool like PyEnv. Code example and troubleshooting. Let's say you have a simple textual application, and you're getting the failed to build module error when trying to run it. 1. Start with build tools *. Make sure you have the appropriate build tools installed for your operating system, as described above. This is the most likely culprit. 2. Virtual environment *. Ensure you're working within a virtual environment. This helps isolate dependencies and prevents conflicts. 3. Verbose installation *. Try installing Textual with verbose output. Examine the output for any specific error messages during the build process. For example, if you see an error like this, strongly suggests a problem with your C++ compiler setup on Windows, example not configured correctly after installing Visual Studio build tools. For example, specific issue, Windows compiler errors. On Windows, a very common issue is that even after installing Visual Studio build tools, the necessary environment variables, especially those related to the compiler, aren't set correctly. The steps to address this are: A. Locate veekvarsel.bat *. This batch file is responsible for setting up the compiler environment. It's usually located in a directory similar to C \program files, x86, \Microsoft Visual Studio \2022 \build tools \vc auxiliary \build adjust the year and path based on your Visual Studio version. B. Run veekvarsel.bat *. Open a command prompt, as a regular user, not as administrator initially. Navigate to the directory containing veekvarsel.bat and run it with the appropriate architecture, usually x64 for 64-bit systems. This will set up the environment variables for that command prompt session. C. Retry pip install Textual * in the same command prompt window where you ran veekvarsel.bat, try to install Textual again. If it works now, great. However, the environment variables are only set for that specific command prompt. D. Persistently setting the environment, highly recommended to make the compiler available in all command prompts. You can add the necessary directories to your system's path environment variable. Find the compiler and libraries *. Look in the Visual Studio build tools installation directory for the compiler, CLEXE, and related libraries. The paths might be something like *compiler, C \program files, x86, \Microsoft Visual Studio \2022 build tools \vc tools msvc /14.34.31931 /ben host 64 x64, adjust the version number. Libraries, C \program files, x86, \Microsoft Visual Studio \2022 build tools \vc tools msvc /14.34.31931 lib x64, adjust the version number. Windows SDK libraries, C \program files, x86, \Windows kits \10 lib /10.0.22621.0 x64, adjust the version number. Edit environment variables Open the System Properties dialog, search for environment variables in the Windows Start menu. Click Environment Variables. Under System Variables, not user variables, find the path variable and click Edit. Asterisk click New and add the directories containing the compiler, libraries, and Windows SDK libraries. You might also need to add the Windows kits \10\include directory. Asterisk restart your computer or log out and log back in for the changes to take effect. Asterisk test asterisk open a new command prompt and run CL or GCC to verify that the compiler is now available. Important considerations asterisk restart after making changes to environment variables or installing new tools, always restart your terminal or IDE to ensure the changes are reflected. Check your firewall make sure your firewall or antivirus software isn't blocking pip or the compiler. Permissions ensure you have the necessary permissions to write to the installation directories. Outdated Python version if you are using a very old version of Python, example Python 2.7, you might need to upgrade to a more recent version, as many modern libraries no longer support older Python versions. By systematically working through these steps, you should be able to identify and resolve the failed to build module. The textual interface may be broken error and get your textual application running. Good luck. Remember to consult the textual documentation and community resources for the most up-to-date information and troubleshooting tips.